right, that's looking good enough. Let's go. All right, welcome back to the beach, welcome back to the hunt. Glad you guys joined me. Let's see what we can find. Got a nice low tide. I'll be following the birds as usual. I'll see you guys on the first target. So I can see there was some violence here with high tide. I don't know if you can see those rocks there and a bit of an indent here. So that's the line I chose. And down here we have a first target, which is a solid 74 with no iron grunts at this point. Now whether we get to the shell line now or the black sand will be determined soon, as a beach condition can change out of the whole 77 after one day. I think I see it. That will be a first. So our first target, our first dig is, I don't know, this seems that it was part of a pocket knife. All right, that's fine, we keep going. All right, let me just show you guys while I'm close to the rock area. Like I said, there's this line of rocks, so that's my line. So I did try, we had to abandon that, but here we have a similar target, 84, 85, and dare I say, fishing weight, we want the heavy stuff. It's out of the hole, whatever that is. Whoa, I see it. Looks weird. We like weird. We like weird. That's part of a... Yo, Dion, careful what you say here. I wanted to say like a squeeze tube, but this has got so much of the seabed on it, which is exciting, so I'm going to keep going. Okay, 91 between the Rockies. Yo. See, it's right there. There's no... Oh, can't go. I'm going to break my ankle. So many rocks here. Stop complaining, Dion. I think I saw something lift its head out of there. We got it. All right, what is that? What? Okay. Oh, okay, that's good enough. Wow. No pouch, brother. Look at this beast. Whoa. Heavy stuff. All right, 70 out of this hole. So today I can tell you it's going to be heavy. Heavy and old stuff, which is what we want. Hiding away. Come on. Don't be camera shy here. Huh? I think we have it. Let me check. As the... There we go. Heavy and old stuff. Bullet casing. I can't see. 9mm. Scoop. Out of the hole. 88 on the dais. Here we go. Fishing weight, half. Okay, this should be it. Go. Thank you. 87. What? 87, a screw. Wow. No, that's a rock, Dion. Silly Billy, fish and chips. I think we have it now. All right. Here we go. Okay. See this, the same line. Sinkers, knives. This is a lock. Alrighty then, I'm ignoring anything below 76, above 76 and 92. This is a 96, and I'll eat my, if this is another sinker. Hallo. Yo. Thanks for that. Once you miss this, the heavy stuff, I see it. It's round, which is always exciting. It is that, I'm sure. Yes. Okay, come on. Oh man. Yes, yes. Oh, we got a ring. We have a ring. And I'm telling you now, that high reading, the blackness is indeed silver. And this is so old. All right. Hier gaat ons. That's Afrikaans for hier kom die bokke. Another 80, but it's 89. So I'm going to start ignoring those 85s. Those old sinkers. This might be as well. But let's have a look, because maybe it's time. There's some readings I must start ignoring to get full access to this exposed layer on this beach, which we don't get often. We don't get often. So, if this is a, you know what, then we're going to ignore the 80s. It is a sinker, it's round, that's why it's a bit different. Okay, switching on for a 90, which again, I might be fooled here. I do apologize. If it is another sinker, but let's hold our breath. I can't see anything. Okay, from 89 to 90. Look at this old sinker. Look at the color. Hey, we're gonna start seeing orange shells. We are gonna go low. We're gonna go low. Yeah, just curious, 32 out of the hole. We haven't seen many of those. We haven't seen many of those, people. We have it. Sure. Aha. The back of a watch. Where's the watch? Alright, switching on for anything else other than a 80 something, even a 90. This one is showing me a 60 to 63. Now, what I'm worried about, and I can't go deeper than that from that angle, that's normally a pull tab. Now, this might be a pull tab, you know, but okay, let's clean it up as much as we can. Let's see if we can see it. So it did turn out not to be a pull tab, but it's also a piece of copper blubbly blubbly, which normally I would say comes off the ships here in Saldanha Bay, all parts and bits and pieces. But I've left a trail of devastation behind me, one line, just sinkers. Right, we have a mid-tone here, 75, 76. I see I'm 20 subscribers away from 1,000. Who would have thought? I think the last time I spoke about it, I had 3. Thanks for watching. Keeps me motivated on the days that I don't want to take along the camera. So 89 out of the hole. I don't know, it's somewhere in there. Ah, here we go. Aha! Look at this. Look at those. Oh man, these are expensive. Look at this beautiful fishing lure. Yes, man. Oh, where I'm gonna put it. I have to switch on for this. In the wet, it is a 53, guys, but we want the camera rolling. And most of the time, we have the camera rolling for nothing, but rather that than missing it on video as the wind is blowing. Luckily I'm walking the wind behind me. Okay, now the signature is changing a little bit, which means if we haven't touched it, we're very close to it. So best is to pinpoint it again as much as you can, because you've obviously moved it, and then see, that's very faint now compared to what it was. Lekker. I tell you, I don't know why I'm thinking of the Springboks today. First coin, R2, old. Okay, earring sounded all metal. That's obviously junk, but a big earring. Okay guys, stay tuned for the wrap up, and we're gonna end with this. Alright, thanks, welcome to the wrap up. If you've made it this far, so you saw all of that, and that is a collection of some heavyweights. Anything else besides that? Everything we found today was very, very old. This is part of a knife, part of a, who knows, everything old, everything deep. This is, seems to be like one of those tubes, but look at the ocean bed attached to that. This, I assume, is a type of sinker. We got a little artificial lure, which I'm always happy to keep. Nice and green. Back of a watch. What else? Yeah, bullet casings, very old, very, very old. Whatever that is. Coins, unspendable, R5, as well as a R2. This is a coin in there. Then we found this earring, which unfortunately is a junker. And then the find of the day that kept us going is going to be this silver ring, very deep, very black, rang up a silver. I don't see a stamp, but it's so blackened and it's got this hardened residue on it still, but we didn't get skunked, so we have a ring. So listen, thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. Like I say, it always keeps me going, keeps me motivated to grab the camera and take it with me. There we go. I'll see you guys on the next hunt.